Let's be honest, the internet is obsessed with breakfast bowls, but I'm here to tell you, they're all hiding a fundamental flaw. They're missing smoke. Today we fix that with our 4 legendary smoked potato bowls. We've got the classic Smokehouse hash, the sheet pan Deconstructed Baker, the One Pan Game Day Skillet, and the viral twice baked Flex. Let's get at it. So how do we do it? How do we get that deep, complex smokehouse flavor onto our breakfast without any special equipment? The answer is the ultimate flavor hack, smoked paprika butter. This is flavor alchemy, my friends. It is so simple, it feels like cheating. You just take half a stick of good unsalted butter and melt it down. Into that golden pool, you stir in a generous amount of high-quality smoked paprika, a little garlic powder, onion powder, and a good pinch of salt. Let those spices bloom in the warm butter for a minute. When you toss your hot, crispy potatoes in this, every single nook and cranny gets coated with a glaze of pure, smoky, buttery deliciousness. Woohoo! Now let's build some. First up, the OG, the classic Smokehouse hash. Now for this bowl, I'm just making a single serving. You know my motto, not food waste, just good food. And that means we're preventing waste, even in this video. That's why we don't talk about amounts as much today. But don't worry, the full recipes that serve 4 is linked in my website. They're also in the description below. We start with a good old russet potato, peeled and cubed into hearty bite-sized pieces and parboiled until a fork just meets resistance. After a heavy toss in that glorious smoked paprika butter, it hits a screaming hot cast iron with a little bacon fat. This is non-negotiable. You want that sizzle, that sound of crispy edges being forged into fire. We're not making mashed potatoes here. We're creating texture. We're building character. Once those potatoes are golden brown and delicious, with crispy edges and fluffy inside, we build our masterpiece. We top it with 2 perfectly soft cooked eggs. The yolks have to be runny. We need that liquid gold. Then comes a generous handful of crispy chopped bacon, a blanket of sharp cheddar cheese that melts into every crevice, a shower of green onions, and a dash of your favorite hot sauce for a little kick. You take one bite and you get it. The crispy, smoky potato, the rich yolk, the salty bacon, the sharp cheese, it all just works. This isn't just a breakfast bowl, it's a statement. Next, we have the bowl for the pragmatist, the one the internet would call deconstructed. We're starting with a few russet potatoes, scrubbed clean, cut into chunky rustic wedges. Forget peeling, we want that texture from the skin. We toss them onto a big sheet pan with a couple of tablespoons of neutral oil, a heavy hand of kosher salt, and fresh cracked black pepper. Then into a hot 425-degree oven for about 30 minutes, flipping once, until they are golden crispy on the outside and pillowy soft on the inside. While they're still screaming hot, they go into a big bowl. Now comes the flavor. We pour our smoked paprika butter all over those hot potatoes and toss to coat. Every potato gets a beautiful smoky crimson glaze. The aroma just fills the entire room. Now we build. Divide those beautiful potatoes into your bowls and we load them up. A big handful of sharp cheddar cheese goes on first, so it gets all melty from the heat of the potatoes. Then a pile of salty, crispy chopped bacon. We're talking at least 6 slices here. Next, a drizzle of sour cream crema. Just thin out some sour cream with a splash of milk to make it pourable. Finally, a blizzard of sliced green onions. For a couple of bucks in potatoes, a little bacon and cheese, you can feed a family a breakfast that tastes more satisfying than anything you can get in a drive-thru. Are these hitting the spot? Is your stomach growling yet? Because if you think this is good, you have no idea what's coming up next week. We're talking a trip to Persia to make a kuku sabi, a stunning herb-loaded frittata with smoked salmon. It's gonna be epic, so do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss it. All right, let's talk efficiency. Let's talk about feeding the whole crew on game day morning with one pan and zero fuss. This is the One Pan Skillet bowl. Grab a big cast iron skillet. This is a dump and go masterpiece. We start with our potato cubes, tossed in that paprika butter. They form the base layer. On top of that, we added crumbled breakfast sausage and chopped bacon, letting all that fat render down and mingle with the potatoes. Next, a handful of diced bell peppers and onions. Now for the final act. We make a few little wells in our hash mixture and crack an egg into each one. The whole skillet goes in the oven just until the egg whites are set, but the yolks are still jammy. Pull it out of the oven and it's a work of art, a one-pan feast. To serve, you just scoop a whole quadrant into a bowl. Potato, sausage, peppers, eggs and all. Top it with some sliced avocado for creaminess, a hit of your favorite hot sauce, and a final sprinkle of smoked salt to tie it all together. One pan, 4 bowls of breakfast glory. This isn't just breakfast, it's a strategy. For our final bowl, the one that made the internet lose its mind. It is the twice baked breakfast bowl. We start by baking whole russet potatoes until they're completely tender. Then we carefully slice them in half and scoop out most of the fluffy interior, leaving a sturdy potato skin shell. The scooped out potato goes into a bowl where we mash it up with all the good stuff: sour cream, cheddar cheese, crispy bacon bits, and chopped green onions. Season it aggressively. Then we spoon that glorious loaded mashed potato filling right back into the potato skin shells. But we're not done. We make a little well in the center of each filled potato half and gently crack a fresh egg right into it. The final move? These beauties go back in the oven just long enough for the cheese to get bubbly. You serve the whole potato half in a bowl. When you dig in with a fork, that yolk breaks and creates a rich golden sauce that cascades over the cheesy, smoky potato filling. If you love these potatoes, hit that smoked breakfast next, then binge the Breakfast Classic playlist.